Hi, I'm Deidre. Welcome to E-Prime. Damon Marley's Stony Hill album sits in the #1 spot on the Billboard Reggae Album Chart. Stony Hill was ranked #1 after tallying sales figures compiled by Nielsen Music. Also on the chart is Chronix, whose Chronology album moves down to #3 from last week's #2 position. Stephen Marley's Fruit of the Life moves from #15 to 13, and Abracadabra by Morgan Heritage maintains the #15 spot. A new single from the Cool Ruler, Gregory Isaacs, has contributed greatly to the reggae music landscape, and his legacy continues with the release of his latest single. The track is one of 2 records to be released for the late reggae singer since his passing in 2010. Overseas-based label Upsetter Records is gearing up for the release of the track, which is featured on the Lion Pride rhythm. International reggae star Alborosie returns to the local scene with his latest release. His new project, Freedom in Dub, marks the celebration of his Freedom and Fire album. The Italian reggae artist is excited about the new project, which was composed, played, produced and mixed by himself at his Shangang studio in Kingston. Alborosie will take the stage at the Overjam International Reggae Festival, which takes place in Slovenia. God is standing by. George Nooks is in the E-Prime spotlight this evening. The singer continues his musical journey amidst his legal woes. He says he's grateful for the continued support for his music and had this to say to his fans.
Music is what we do, you know. Music is all that I do, and so I am definitely in the studio every day trying to perfect my career. Quite a lot of shows over last weekend and before and beyond, and you know, I mean, they're showing me great love and I just appreciate it, you know. 2 great singles out. One of them is I Must Tell Jesus, and the other one is Don't Bother Worry. I'm like explaining to my fans that regardless of whatever you hear or the situation, don't bother worry, don't bother fret, because you know what, Almighty God never fails me yet. These 2 singles is coming from my upcoming album. You know, we didn't name that album yet, but it will be named very soon, and you can expect great things from George Nooks. Ride Out Your Storm album that did very well. We did well on the Billboard, Reggae Billboard, and we crossed over to the Gospel R&B chart. Give the people beautiful, loving songs that I know that they listen and cater to. I enjoy greater than this, and I definitely will. To all my fans out there who is a little bit concerned and such forth, all is well. I mean, things is going smoothly. Give thanks to all the fans out there and well wishes.
And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidre. Thank you for watching.